Unlocking English. Frequency adverbs in present perfect tense. Hello, language learners. In today's lesson, we'll dive deep into the exciting world of English grammar. Specifically, we're going to focus on the adverbs of frequency with present perfect tense. This might sound a little tricky, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll understand how and when to use these adverbs correctly. Let's get started. First things first, let's quickly review the present perfect tense. This tense is used to express an action that has happened at an unspecified time before now. The important thing to remember is that the exact time is not important. You use the present perfect tense when the time is not specified, when the time is still going on, or when it's relevant to the present. Example: I have seen that movie 20 times. Next, let's remind ourselves what adverbs of frequency are. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often an action occurs. These adverbs can be used with different tenses, and they include words like always, often, usually, sometimes, rarely, and never. For example, in the sentence, I often watch movies. Often is an adverb of frequency, telling us how regularly the action, watching movies, happens. Now comes the tricky part, combining these two elements. When using adverbs of frequency with the present perfect tense, the adverb is usually placed after the auxiliary verb, have, or has, and before the past participle. For example, I have always loved Italian food. Here, always is our adverb of frequency. Have loved is in the present perfect tense, and always is positioned right between have and loved. Let's practice with a few more examples. 1. They have never visited France. 2. We have usually taken our vacation in August. 3. She has often wanted to learn how to play the piano. Remember, practice is key. Try making your own sentences using the adverbs of frequency with the present perfect tense. And there you have it, folks. That's how you use adverbs of frequency with the present perfect tense. Remember, the adverb usually goes between have or has and the past participle. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature to you. As always, thanks for tuning in. We hope this video has been helpful. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next video.